Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I'm Farhana Yasmin, Assistant Teacher of English Morning Shift. Now I'm going to take an English Literature class for class 4. Our today's topic is CBQ 1 and 2, that means competency based questions 1 and 2. Today is lecture number 13. So dear students, look here, we will practice 2 CBQs today. Let's look at the first question. Read the rules about cleanliness, then answer the following questions. Some instructions will be given about a specific topic. Here the topic is cleanliness. The marks distribution for this is total 6. There will be 3 questions, 1 marks, 2 marks and 3 marks respectively in 3 questions, and the total marks is 6. So based on the instructions, there will be 3 questions. Number A will carry 1 marks, B will carry 2 marks and C will carry 3 marks. We will discuss these in details. Let's look at the instructions first. So the instructions given are about cleanliness. Number 1, take bath every day. Number 2, wear clean clothes. Number 3, cut your nails regularly. Number 4, wash your hands with soap before taking food and using washroom. Number 5, keep your room and surroundings clean. So these are the instructions. Let's look at the questions now. Question number A, when do you take bath every day? This question carries 1 marks. This question is knowledge based and informative. You have to give the information asked in this question, and usually you can answer this question in a partial sentence. You don't need to write the full sentence, you can just write the information required and you'll get 1 marks for this question. Number B, why should you follow rules of cleanliness? This question is based on your understanding of the topic and this carries 2 marks. You should write the answer to this question in a full sentence. Number C, how do you maintain cleanliness? This question is application based. So you have to apply your knowledge in answering this question. This carries 3 marks. This is descriptive. You should describe how you do a certain thing in this question answer. So let's look at the answers. Question number A was, when do you take bath every day? Let's look at our answer. Number A answer, at 10 a.m. every day. Notice that you don't have to write a full sentence here. You can write the information only in a partial sentence. If you do it, you'll get 1 marks. No need to write the full sentence. So when do you take bath every day? At 10 a.m. every day. This information is enough for you to get 1 marks. Question number B was, why should you follow rules of cleanliness? Let's look at the answer. Number B answer, I should follow rules of cleanliness to maintain good health. You can answer this question in a full sentence in this way. This carries 2 marks. Question number C was, how do you maintain cleanliness? Let's look at the answer. Here you should describe how you do something. So at first see, I take bath every day, I wear clean clothes, I cut my nails regularly, I wash my hands with soap before taking food and using washroom, I keep my room and surroundings clean. So all the things that you do to maintain cleanliness are mentioned one after another. You have to write it describing in this way, and this question answer carries 3 marks. Remember this. So you should be long enough to describe the question asked. Let's look at the next item. Read the instructions about making a garden. So in this question you have instructions about making a garden, and then answer the following questions. The pattern is same. There will be 3 questions respectively with 1, 2 and 3 marks, and total 6 marks for it. Let's look at the instructions. Select a plot for your garden. Number 2, prepare the soil, then sow the seeds, put water and fertilizer, then make a fence around the garden. So these are the instructions. Let's look at the questions now. A, when do you work in your garden? The timing you have to write, and this carries 1 mark. Number B, why should you make a garden? You should answer why. This carries 2 marks. Number C, how? How do you make your garden? This carries number 3. Okay. Let's look at the first answer. When do you work in your garden? In the afternoon. So you have to just mention the time. This carries 1 mark. Number B, why should you make a garden? The answer is, I should make a garden to utilize my free time. All these answers are sample answers. You can change the answer if you like. Here I have written a sample answer for you, and I have shown the reason that I should make a garden to utilize my free time. In this way I have written it here, but if you want to use any other logical answer, you can change it. The number C was how you make your garden. The answer is, first I select a plot, then I prepare the soil, after that I sow the seeds, then I put water and fertilizer, and finally I put a fence around the garden. In this way I make my garden. So all the steps to making a garden are mentioned one after another, and linking words like first, after that, then, finally, these are used in the answer. These words can be used to describe any procedure of doing something. Okay, dear students, so this question number 1 and 2 was your competency based questions. Please practice this at home. There will be no homeworks as you have assignments this week. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.